I'd like to show you how you can make your own film review using iMovie. So I'm going to click plus in the top left hand corner, and then I'm going to go to movie. And you'll see on this screen that you can see some of my shots that I've got here where I've recorded myself speaking. I could put those in straight away, but I'm going to go to the bottom and choose create movie. And now I need to go find my videos so that I can put my videos in I've recorded on the camera. Now you'll see over here that there's an area that I can go to. If this isn't here, it will be because somebody has clicked this X and it will look like that. So I can click the plus and then bring that area back. So I'm going to go to video. I could go to recently added, or I could go to all, and then I can look down and I can find the video that I want. When I tap on it, I could tap the plus so that I could quickly watch it to see what it's like. I know this is the right one and I'm going to tap plus. So my video pops down to the bottom here and I'm going to play it. Now you'll see at the start of my video I'm not in the screen, and then I appear in the screen and come and sit down. So I don't want this first part of my video. In your video you should have left a little gap at the start of your recording as well, so you can delete that and there'll be a little gap at the end. So to get rid of those gaps, I tap on the clip at the bottom and then I'll get this yellow line that will appear and I drag it to the right, and I want to drag mine just so that I'm sat down and ready to talk. So let's see, like that I think. And I want to go to the end of my clip and wait at the end of my clip so that I finish talking, and then get rid of the last bit before I get up and walk away. There. So I need it about there. So I'm going to get hold of it and drag it in there to about there. So that should just finish there. Now I've got another clip of another video that I'm going to put in, but it's exactly the same process. What I'm going to do is put that video in, and then I'm going to show you how you can put your photos in. Right, I've added my second video here, so now it's time to add the pictures. So I need to come out of video. So if I press on video up at the top here and come out of it, you'll see that over here I need to tap media up at the top again, and then I can go into photos. So I'm going to go into photos. I can go to recently added or all, and then I can see the photos that I want. So I want to use some photos to show how colour has been used in the film. And I talk about, my script says colour's been used really effectively to show different times of day. We see sunset, sunrise, bright daylight and mysterious moonlight. So I'm going to bring some of these in, and on purpose I'm bringing these in the wrong order so I can show you how to change them. So I've got some moonlight, I've got some daytime, and then I've got sunset there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, first of all, I can put these in the right order if I want to. So mine talked about sunset and sunrise. So if I tap on this clip and don't let go, I can just move it there. So we've got sunrise, or we've got sunset and sunrise. And then I talk about daylight, and then I talk about mysterious moonlight. So let's put daylight there, and then we've got the moonlight at the end. Right, so I'm going to move this white line, which is called the playhead, to where I want to record, and I'm going to press the microphone that's in the middle on the right hand side. And you can see it's picking up my voice. It's not recording yet, but it's showing that it's picking up the volume of my voice. So I'm going to record my script that I've already written from a previous lesson. Colour has been used really effectively to show the different times of day. We see sunset, sunrise, bright daylight and mysterious moonlight. So I'm going to tap accept and put those in. And you'll see I've got a bit of an issue here because my pictures last a long time, but my recording finishes before the last picture. So I've got quite a gap at the end. So what I can do is I can tap on each picture and I can make each picture as long as I want it. So if my recording goes on for a long time, I can make my picture longer, but I can also make my picture a little bit shorter so that it runs out right at the right time. So let's have a look at that. Colour has been used really effectively to show the different times of day. see sunset, sunrise, bright daylight and mysterious moonlight. Okay, so you get the idea. This shows you how you can start to match your audio with your pictures, and you can make your pictures longer. If you put a picture in and you don't want it, you just put your finger on and you just hold it and you move it up to the middle, and you'll see it's got a little puff of smoke next to it, and then I let go and it just disappears. If I want to bring it back, then I can use this undo key and then I can bring it back to how it was. Right, so you'll see that I've added all my clips in here. I've got different clips and I'm speaking about the different clips, showing the colour and the characters and the story and the camera. And then right at the end, what I've done is I've put in another bit where I'm talking to the camera just to conclude everything. So it's a conclusion where I'm giving my overall opinion of the film at the end. One other thing that I've done here is I've put music that plays all the way through. If you listen, you might be able to hear music at the bottom. So this green bar is my music. Now it does something very, very clever. The music plays and then at the end, the music plays and then as soon as anybody speaks in the video, the music turns itself down. It's something called auto ducking. So if you just listen to this start bit, you'll notice the music gets quieter in a moment. There we go. Right, so let's show you where you get the music from that you can add to it. So for the music, I've gone to audio down here, and then I go to soundtracks, and then I've got all this music that I can choose. So to listen to what the music sounds like, I just tap on the music, and then it'll quickly download, and then that music, if I tap on it again, it'll start to play. And if I tap on it again, then it stops. If I want to add the music, I just tap that plus down there. Now, once you've added the music, it does auto duck and make itself quieter, but you can actually turn it down. If you tap on it there and you go to volume, you can turn the music down. I can also turn the volume of my speaking up if I want to. So I can tap on my clip on the video here and then go to volume, and that's the volume of me speaking. So I can turn my volume up and down. Now you will notice that there's an extra bit that I did at the start where I've put this graphic. So these colours and text, you don't get these in iMovie, and I've put them at the start. There are other things that you can do. So I could have had a green screen playing in the background while I'm speaking, but I've missed that out for now. So I'll show you how to do a few of those things separately. But for now, if I finished, I need to tap done at the top left, and then I need to tap share down here at the bottom, and it depends how you share work in school. So you might use Google Drive, or you might use Seesaw, or you might use some other method to hand your work in. But at the moment, that's it. So when you finished it, have a good look at it, make sure you're happy with it before you save the video, and then you share it. So if I just want to save this video just to my iPad, I'll tap on save video, and then I can choose the size, and then that will save to my camera roll. But like I say, you can also use that to save to Google Drive or Seesaw.